Welcome back to the channel everybody, Adam here from Automotive Action Media. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to install the new cup holders for the Holden RC Colorado, Holden Rodeo and Isuzu D-Max built by Automotive Action Parts. And I'm going to explain a little bit more of the details on these cup holders as well. Quick announcement too, Automotive Action Parts will not be remaining as that name. As of 2023, it will be called Alphanex Automotive Parts. The reason for this change is that being that I own Automotive Action Media and Automotive Action Parts, from the very beginning, I've just been getting confused between the two. So 2023, Alphanex Automotive Parts. I really wanted to create a brand name, and I think Alphanex really makes that for me. So with that out of the way, let's get in the video. Okay, let's talk a little bit about the cup holders themselves now. First of all, these are Australian designed on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland. These are injection molded with ABS and UV stabilization. They're very closely color matched to the interior of the vehicle. They also have a textured finish, which also closely matches the interior of the vehicle. They are 78mm by 78mm by 70mm deep, and it narrows down to 72mm in the bottom. And that's just designed that way due to the injection molding process, along with a lot of the other details that are on the actual cup holder itself. Just do a little close up now as well, so you can actually see textured finish. Oh, there we go. Closely color matched. There's the top of it, and there's all underneath as well. So basically the way that these are mounted is that there is just two holes underneath here, and you just screw them in from underneath the center console. There's also two holes in the side here where some Christmas tree clips get put in. Alright, so what comes in the package? First of all, the cup holder itself. Secondly, you'll have this little bag here. Now inside this little bag contains those two Christmas tree clips as well as two screws. You also get a drilling template which has all the markings on it, so you know exactly how you are meant to drill into your center console. Okay, so why is it designed that we need to screw it in from underneath? The main purpose of that is to create a clamping force. So with these screws, they actually have quite a large, you probably won't be able to see that probably, but they have quite a large pen head on them to create more of a surface area. So when you actually screw this in against the center console, you're getting more of a clamping force that actually really holds it nice and stable. If I've done it from the top, you're going to get a little bit more movement over time. You're possibly going to rip it out of your center console with a large enough hit. And then we put the two holes on the side there just for a little bit of extra sideways stability as well. So that's pretty much it as far as explaining the cup holder itself. Now let's get into actually installing it. Okay, so what are you going to need for the installation? First of all, you're going to need a drill. Secondly, you're going to need a 4.5mm drill bit and also a 6mm drill bit. And lastly, just a Phillips head screwdriver. To remove the center console, grab your Phillips head screwdriver and remove the two screws holding it down within the compartment. Next, use your hands on either side at the front of the console and pull directly upwards. There are clips holding this console in place. Keep in mind that these clips may break due to the age of the vehicle. Next, lay out all your tools and parts on a flat surface. Empty out the contents of the bag. Install the 4.5mm drill bit into the drill ready to go. Now grab the drilling template and the cup holder. On the bottom edge of the cup holder you will see a very small notch. This notch is used to line up the little black mark that is on the drilling template as shown. Now position the cup holder onto the center console. It will automatically rest approximately where it needs to be. Make sure that it is not leaning too far to the right or too far to the left. You will want it resting just nicely. With the cup holder into position, slide the drilling template underneath, lining up the notch mark on the template to the notch on the cup holder, and the black line to the edge of the cup holder also. Lift the cup holder out of the way, pressing down firmly on the template. Now with the 4.5mm drill bit, drill out the two holes. Turn the console on its side or upside down. Position the cup holder in place with the now drilled out holes aligning with the screw holes in the bottom of the cup holder, and insert the two screws and tighten down firmly. Now you can see how it really creates that clamping force. Remove the 4.5mm drill bit and insert the 6mm drill bit ready to go. The bottom edge should line up closely with the bottom of the console. Now drill the two 6mm holes using the cup holder as the template. Now press in the two Christmas tree style clips. You have now installed the cup holder onto your center console. Put the console back into the vehicle, aligning the clips into their sockets and pressing down. Lastly, grab the Phillips head screwdriver again and reinstall the 2 screws that hold the center console down. As you're screwing this in place, use your other hand to push the console forward ever so slightly to ensure that it butts up against the gear shifts around firmly. Okay, so there you have it. That's how you install one of these cup holders into your vehicle. It only takes around about 10-20 minutes depending on your skill level. For me, with all the filming, it's taken about 10 times longer. If you want to purchase one of these cup holders, you can do so in the link down in the description below. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Done.